Well, hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So I know that you're probably wondering to yourself, what is going on? Joy is posting yet again, and you're absolutely correct. Okay guys, so here's a justification story. Outside of me having therapy today on my knees, yes guys, I have PT on my knees also, and I did have pain. So if you remember, I uploaded a haul video that consisted of Dollar General as well as Dollar Tree. Probably, I think it was like Saturday. And I told you that, retail therapy is really good for you when you're in pain. And so I experienced some pain today. So I had to have a little bit of retail therapy. And not only that, see, my son, my baby boy of the bunch, of all 7 of my children, he needed to go to pick up a lock. You know, the locks for his locker in his gym class. Because, these days when children think that you come from a well-established family, they tend to steal from you. So that warranted him having to go get a lock. We're going to leave that story right there, okay? Anyway, so while I was there, I said, okay, he wanted to go by Dollar General to get a lock. I said, okay, well, we can go get you one. And I couldn't just sit in the car. My knees was hurting, my shoulder still hurts. So I said, I think I need some retail therapy. Guys, don't judge me. I need a retail therapy. And so I went in the store with no anticipation of buying really anything, just to look around while he was in there perusing the aisles for things that he wanted, like snacks and the lock and stuff like that. But you can't leave joy in the Christmas section of any store, because I absolutely love Christmas, my favorite time of the year. And December is my birthday month, so my grandson, one of my grandson's birthdays is like a day after mine. His is on Christmas Eve. So I had to, guys. I had to go in and shop. Okay, so all day I've been having this hot flash. Whew. So I went into Dollar General, and they had these red dollies. So I was like, oh, this is gonna be a cute DIY. So I plan on bringing you 3 DIYs to the channel later on tonight. So see, using these 3 items. So I have the dollies, I have these little novelty bags with the famous red truck, the farmhouse truck, and then I have this one that just says Merry Christmas with the little berries. I think this is so pretty, the holly bush. And then also this tin can mailbox with the farm truck. So those are 3 of the items that I purchased from Dollar General, right? That I am actually going to do a quick DIY tonight on the channel using those 3 items. And it's going to be quick. If you are not subscribed to my channel, you want to make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload this particular video to the channel. So those were some of the items I purchased, right? Well, let me get the rest of the stuff. Da, 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 da. Okay. Now, I know most of you are like, Uncle T, you better rein in Joy, because she is spending. And I am. But it's for content. It's for you guys, right? I have to spend money to bring you good content. So I went and purchased these trees, and I bought two of these for DIY that I will be bringing to the channel this week. And then I know I have a whole bag of pine cones that I picked up while on my relaxation trip with my kids when we all went by the lake. And so I didn't need these, but these are smaller and I wanted them, so I bought them for an upcoming project. So not only did I buy one of each, I bought two of each. So here's the second one of the trees, and then the second pine cones. So that's that. And then I also bought this for only $1, this word that says believe. You know, I know that a lot of people, you know, this is associated with believing in Santa or whatever, but you know, I don't, of course, I don't celebrate Christmas for that. You know, I believe that, you know, Jesus Christ exists. So believe. And then they had these cute little artificial trees for $1. So I got two of these. And they only had that, but they did have the ones, if you're interested in those, they had the ones that had the what you call that? Poinsettia with berries on it. I didn't particularly like that one, so I just stuck with these. And so I got two of those, which they only had two at this particular location. And then these are from their summer sale. So these were buy two for $1. I got it right tonight, guys. And then they had these wreaths right here, and they were really cute. They're braided with yarn, and I thought these was really cute. And so I got 3 of them in different colors. This is really pretty. And then last but not least, I anticipate uploading to the channel, you know, if not every craft, every other craft, or at least within the crafting season for Christmas, several crafts that references the word joy. So of course I have these, and these were like 90 cents each. They really just $1, but they took 10% off. And that's all that I have. So guys, if you saw any of these ornaments that you would like to put on your Christmas tree, or if you want to follow along with me and kind of do a DIY with me using some of the same stuff that I'm using, then make sure you head on down to your Dollar General store. I mean, you know, it's 25 cents saved. If you don't feel like it's worth it, and you might as well go. I mean, if you're in the vicinity of a Dollar Tree versus a Dollar General, and you see some of these items, of course it doesn't make sense to drive out your way to get them, but if this particular Dollar Tree, I mean, Dollar General is right down the road from my home, so why not? And usually they don't have anything in their stores, so to be able to find these cute little items already on display, I had to grab them. So guys, that's all that I have for you. This was a quick haul video. Please make sure you check back later on tonight, because I will be uploading these 3 DIYs to the channel using this tin can, these 2 novelty bags, and these 2 sets of dollies. So make sure you come back, and I will see you in the next DIY. Be blessed, and remember to smile because it increases your face value. Bye guys.